Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 17 Pro, and today I'll be showing you how you can restore your data from either the cloud backup or just your computer. So in previous video I showed how you can back up your device to your computer. At least that's how I did it, but I also showed you how you can back it up to an iCloud. Now, unfortunately, just like before, we will need to get the Apple Devices program by going into Microsoft Store and just you can search for iTunes or Apple Devices. Both of them will yield the result of this right here. Apple Devices, you just want to install that and then you can click on Open. Right, it's already opened. So, in here, let me just get rid of this. In here, we're gonna grab our cable that is plugged into our computer and just simply connect it. The first time around, you will get a pop-up asking you to trust this computer. Just select trust, though I will also add that if you're restoring it from your computer, you probably already done that. Now, when you plug it in, you should be taken to the general page right here, and if we scroll down, you can see Restore Backup. And it tells us when the last backup was created, which for me was like about 10 minutes, 17 minutes ago. So 17 minutes ago. You can also click on Manage Backups and it will show you all of them right here. So you can choose from whichever one you want to back it up, well, not back up, restore, sorry. So for me there is only one. Anyway, we're gonna click on Restore Backup. In the drop down menu I can actually select them right here if I have multiple, which again there's only one, and click on Restore. Erase and restore. Now the way this works is it will erase the data on your iPhone and then basically repopulate it with the ones that is associated with the backup that you want to now restore. So for me that is going to be 3 songs in general and maybe a couple applications that you can see right now. It's basically the same thing that you can see right now. What was that saying right there? Restore the content on the iPhone will be erased. Yes, erase and restore. Find My. Okay, so we need to turn off the Find My. So we can do that by either going in here, maybe settings, location, share my location. Nope. Let me quickly. I'm gonna. There we go. Go from the main settings page. I'm gonna search for. There we go. Find my iPhone, and you just want to turn it off. Okay. Huh? Oh, I don't have internet connection, but we do need to be connected to internet for this. So let me first do that. Okay, and now I need to sign out, so I'm gonna do that. And there we go. So I have now successfully signed out. That's turned off, and we can again click on the Restore Backup. Okay, erase, and now it's beginning. Now this will take several minutes. iPhones aren't the fastest one when it comes down to doing these kind of tasks, so this will probably take 5 minutes, if not longer, but we'll see. And yeah, once it's finished, even though you restored your device, it will initially appear as though it has been reset. So that's how it's going to look like with the setup screen. Don't worry, it's just kind of a quick setup that you need to go through. And once you go through it, it's just going to take you to the home screen with all the data being restored. And the setup isn't the full one that you've seen, for instance, at the beginning when you first got the device. And you can see on the phone side it's finished. Right here it's still just kind of finishing things up before it shows us an info. And we can almost finish it up. It's still restoring in progress. Okay, so never mind. So we still have a little bit of more to go. But we're basically almost done. So the device actually reboots automatically. I was about to press the button, but the logo showed up. So I think now it's actually fully finished. And yep, so we can now swipe up, select our language. I'm just gonna click on whatever. Continue, 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 continue. I'm not sure why it's taking so long to continue with the partial setup, which has already, as the message stated, been set up, but anyway, we're just gonna, I guess, give it time. Now one more thing while this is loading, you can obviously unplug the cable, as the actual restore has been finished so far. We're just waiting for Apple to do Apple things. So again, just a quick setup right here. Set up later. Again, I selected to skip localization. What are you loading here? Come on. Just effing skip it. That's the purpose of skipping something. Or setting up setup later. Oh, for God's sakes. iPhones. You like to set up later like I told you to, so you can go to the next page. Would be outstanding if you did what I actually wanted to do. Wow, there we go. Set up later, and set up later in settings, and don't share, and continue. Continue. Just not now. Continue. So this is actually just fully full setup. But if we go in here, should. Well, we can't open up music because I'm not connected to network, but there should be our music in here. That's kind of what was in here. So it transfers over the data that was in the backup, and yeah. Now the reason I can't open up music is because this is not what gets transferred. This is what gets downloaded through Wi-Fi, which I have chosen not to connect. So anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.